everyone, this is Sheshe. I'm coming on to share with you some dies from Aliexpress. This was a very large package, so I'm breaking my videos up. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. But I will link everything in the description box below what I'm sharing today. Okay, I have some new dies, and these are donuts. They layer. Be really careful when you break them apart because they're really close together and they're hard to break apart, and you can kind of bend them, which I sort of bent it, but I think once I roll it through my die cutting machine it will straighten itself out. It was a little close and tight in there to get it to pry apart. Now with the smaller one, they did make two separate dies for the layering pieces of the donuts. So I thought that was really nice. And then there is a baked with love sentiment, and I'll show you what that goes with. It's a bowl. I'll set this aside and share with you once that pops up. Next is this ornament. It has little hearts, so you can use this for your Christmas tree ornaments. You can make it into a shaker. You can put it on cards this year. Really sweet. Wasn't able to cut out everything, but I will be back with project shares. Okay, next is this layering bow. There's a small and a large. You buy them separately, but they're really nice. Hopefully you can see there's stitching going around everything. So it's going to look really cute layered with different colors or the same color. It's all up to you. The little whisk that I use for my gingerbread girl came from this set. This is a memory dex or a recipe card. It's up to you what you want to call it, but it pairs with this stamp set where you can write out your recipes on a smaller version. And then there's also electric mixers, the handheld kind. And these are sold separately than this set. But these are little paper clips that you can clip onto your recipe cards, and then these pieces layer up with the different paper clips. So I thought that was adorable. So this goes together. This is different. It doesn't come with the set, but I'll link them all in the description box below. Now if you want a larger recipe card, there's a 4x6, and there's also little utensils that you can pair with the gingerbread people or do a big recipe book. This is a little cutting board, and these are little tabs that you can stamp different or handwrite like your menu items and appetizers and so on. So that's perfect, great place to stamp. So that goes with this. Okay, now here comes the mixing bowl that the Bake with Love pairs with. It goes with that, and then this matches up with this part right here, and you just make it into a shaker if you want. And here's the layering piece, and I think these are little cookies, sugar cookies, which is really cute. Alright, I'm going to move on to the snowman. It has facial stamps, so it has different emotions that you can change the look. There's 12 different expressions. Here is my little snowman put together, really cute. And then here's the shaker die set that you can make into a shaker, or just how I made mine. Comes with mittens, gloves, and a hat. And then little buttons if you want to put that on there too. Okay. Alright, next I have these Prim Hearts. This is the smallest version and most recent of that collection. There's piercing going around each layer. This one is the Wonky stitch Prim Hearts. So they come in sets of nesting dies, but you buy these two separately. They don't come together. Just showing you them together. Next are the what they call the Prim Stars, and this is how this looks when it's all layered together, and you can just slap this on a card and put a nice little sweet sentiment. Okay, next is one of these dies that are bag toppers in the shape of a star. There's also star theme items in the shop that you can coordinate it with. This is from a rectangle set with a star border. So I will link that below, but I just cut it out, and this is how it looks once it's cut out for your treat bag toppers. So you can just buy this separately. Alright. Okay, next is this adorable, ugly sweater set, but it's really cute. So it's cute. It's ugly, but it's cute. So it's supposed to be an ugly sweater, but it's not that ugly. It has many elements to make it into so many different details and so many different looks. You can even make it into a shaker sweater. But there's candy canes, trees, presents, and then there's a little gingerbread person. I'm not sure if this is the same size as that baby that I shared, but it will go on the little ugly sweater set. It has a hanger, a sleigh, bell, more elements to accent it in different looks. So this is a really large set that makes so many different sweaters. So really cute. Okay, I'm going to set this up here. Alright, next is the teacups. And you can stack them and stamp different things on them, make different designs. So that looks really fun. Okay, this one is a really neat set. This is a cookie cutter set that you can layer and make it very detailed like sugar cookies. It comes with the cookie sheet and a gingerbread house and little elements to decorate the gingerbread house. You can go to the website and check out more ideas and inspiration. There's a little bow for the gingerbread person that you can layer, and the hat goes with the snowman as well as the scarf, and so you can figure it out. These are the little cream that goes with the mug. So yeah, it's a really neat set to have. Okay, next I have this book layering die. I didn't get a chance to cut it out, but look how fancy this is. It's so cute. There's like some elements they put in the center where you can do a surprise, where you can rip something open or make it into a sentiment, I think. But this is how it looks. There's two different layers of books. So you can do this one first and then these in the center. And then there's some bows. So really neat. Can't wait to play with that one and make a really pretty open book. Okay, more cooking theme items. This is some type of timer, like a chicken timer for your food. And then this is a candy jar that you can also make into a shaker. This is the little top that goes on the inside, and these are the little candy peppermints that you can put on the inside to decorate it. So really cool there. Again, I'll be back with project share so you can see how they look. Next is this set of flowers. I believe they're sold separately, but they'll make pretty flowers and embellishments on your cards to accent them and make them look different. So I just thought I'd share with you that. Then there is this Christmas tag, and there's hollies and berries on there. So that's really neat. Next, we have some stamps that I didn't get a chance to cut out, but here are the stamps, and it comes with a little heart tag, and you just stamp whatever sentiment you wish or a face into the heart. Here's some more small tags and little sentiments that go perfectly inside the little tag. And then there's one more heart tag set with the little die that matches with all these different sentiments that go in the center. I really like the size. Next is a background stamp. It says Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and I will be back with another haul. It will be a continuation of all the items I was sent from KS Craft Store. It was a really large package, so I don't want this video to be too long. So I hope you enjoyed everything I shared and you got some inspiration from what I could cut out, but I will be back with more project shares. So stay tuned for another video coming up very soon. Thanks for joining me. Again, links are in the description box below. Have a fabulous day.